Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, Finance with Ian. My name is Ian and today I'll be going over my first week of day trading. I'll let you guys know what day trading is, which companies I made trades in, and how much I made. Make sure to drop a like to push this video to a larger audience, subscribe to stay tuned for more financial videos in the future, and let's get into this. So, day trading. Some of you guys may ask, what is it? Well, day trading is a form of speculation on stocks or securities that could go up or down within a day. Usually these trades will give high returns. It's the fancy word for buying stocks and options within the same day. And this not only includes stocks and options, but also other forms of securities. So I guess the whole purpose of day trading is to make as much money as possible, using as little capital as possible within a day. A large number of day traders are unsuccessful, and statistics show that over 85% of day traders are unsuccessful. So in this video, I'll go in depth about which trades I made in which companies and how much I made. So on Monday, I made my first ever trade, and I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty nerve-wracking. Most of the money in my brokerage account is tied up in medium to long-term stocks. And here are some blue chip companies and some growth stocks. So naturally, by telling the type of investor I am, I was pretty nervous to start day trading. And in fact, it was just a few days earlier that I actually had my account upgraded so I can start buying and selling options and puts. So after debating with myself for a while, I finally went into a trade where I thought I could make a little bit of profit. Remember that with day trading, any money that you invest or use should be money that you can afford to lose. And this sort of advice applies for all types of investing, not just day trading. So, on my first day of day trading on Monday, I entered a trade with the company Alibaba. I bought a put on it after seeing a pattern of bearish triangles going down. Some day traders do use these patterns to predict which way the stock will go, and most of the times they do work. However, you do want to be cautious because the stock could go either way. I got into this contract for $151 just a few minutes after the market opened. And I sold this put contract for $161 2 hours later, netting me a total profit of $10. This was my first ever day trade, and I'm pretty happy that I ended up in the green. So, my second day of trading, Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I decided to enter not one trades like the day before, but this time two. My thought process was, I'm already up, and if these stocks follow the chart patterns like they did the day before, I should be good. Worst case scenario, my profits from the day before can somewhat offset my losses on this trade if these two trades go south. The first trade I did was buying a call on a well-known company known as Microsoft. This one cost $127 to get into this trade, and just a few minutes later, I also got into a trade with Riot. The option with Riot was a call contract for $204. After a few minutes, my Microsoft trade started to go up, but then quickly fell down. However, my Riot call started to hike up a lot, and I decided to take my profits. I decided to take my profits with Riot, and after seeing my Microsoft call being in the red, I decided to cut my losses there. In the end, I sold the Microsoft call for about $109, netting me a total loss of $18. On the other hand, I sold my Riot call for $271, netting me a total profit of $67. So in total for the day, I finished with a net profit of $49. Not too bad for the second day of day trading. On my third day, Wednesday, I entered two trades. My first one was a call contract with AMD for $106. The second contract was with the Boeing company, which was a call for $113. My Boeing call moved extremely fast, and within a few minutes, the call was worth $154. I sold it there, giving me a total profit of $41 for that trade. However, my AMD trade did not do well at all, and I sold it for $60, leaving me at a loss for $46. So in total, I lost $5 on my third day of day trading. I do want to mention that on this day, I also bought the Roblox stock. I really think that they're a company that can progress and grow bigger. So here comes my fourth day of day trading. I really like the Boeing stock, so I kept my eye on it throughout the day. I bought a call for Boeing at $294 and sold it minutes later for $326. Boeing is just one of those stocks that moves fast and you have to keep your eye on it. With a net profit of $32 that day, I made a huge mistake right after that. I bought two calls on the company JMIA, which is a company I don't even know much about, and I didn't even see the stock depict a clear pattern. To make matters worse, I bought two contracts instead of one, which came to a total of $302. The stock did not do well throughout the day, and the options just kept slipping further and further into the red. Both contracts sold for $174, which left me in the red $128. Quick note, I wanted to release this video earlier, but my mic actually broke, and so this is me 4 days later finishing this video. So let's go back to the video. However, once the stock hit the bottom for the day, I bought another contract that profited me $56 that day. Later in the day, I also saw another pattern for NIO, a company on my watch list. Sadly, this contract only profited me $5, but I'll take any gains at this point. My total loss for the fourth day of trading, Thursday, was $35. And finally on Friday, my last day of day trading, I made 0 trades. And the reason why I made 0 trades on this Friday was because options are really volatile on Friday, and even the stock market is pretty volatile on Fridays as well. Not only that, but with day trading, I'm buying contracts that usually expire on the nearest Friday. So that day, I'm buying same day expiration contracts. So any plays that I make on this day can go south or north really fast. And this works against me a lot if I'm going into a bad contract, because then I can't hold the position overnight because the stock closes that day. Another reason why I didn't trade this day was because I was at my part-time job, so I just didn't have time to anyway. So that was my first week of day trading, and it was a lot of fun, and here are my thoughts. So throughout the day, you have to keep your eye on stocks and have your watch list right in front of you the entire time. You don't want to miss these opportunities to get in trades or get out of trades. You also have to have great risk management and also reject any emotions you have to trade based off of those emotions. Sometimes we get into a trade and immediately start losing money, we quickly pull out when 10 minutes later it could be going right back up. While it is a lot of fun, you have to do your research before day trading. I've seen videos and the Wall Street Bets subreddit has shown that people lose their savings in minutes in day trading, so you have to be careful. It's a really fun and risky game that you can play, but you have to know what you're doing and you have to do your homework before you enter these trades. Hi, my name is Finance with Ian, and on my first week of day trading, I made a fat stack of $19, which really made me mad because it was $1 shy of $20. So in conclusion to this video, I think I'll keep day trading. It's a great way to make active income, and I could have made a lot more in my first week had I not gone into that one bad trade on Thursday. And for you guys, if you do want to day trade, make sure you do your homework before you do it. Thanks so much for watching until the end of the video. Make sure to drop a like to push this video to a larger audience, subscribe to stay tuned for more financial videos in the future, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.